Okay, so in this laundry room, we're getting ready to put down some of these beautiful vinyl tiles. So prior to putting down anything on the floor, we really want to make sure these joints are nice and flat. Alright, now we're getting ready to install some of these vinyl planks. I went ahead and I've got the lock on this side. It's going to go all the way against this wall. Line up this side over here and scoot it over to where it's completely in line, and then just drop it down, and that's it. This is already engaged. Okay, can't even see the seam. Okay, now this seam right here, we're gonna go ahead and put this spacer down there, and then we're gonna take and flip it around this way. Go up against the wall on the baseboard here, and then mark on the outside of this lock. You got your mark here. We're gonna go ahead and cut it. Yeah, this crane wood chopper works really good. So now we have our piece. We're gonna go ahead and drop this down in the lock. Okay, and so you got your first row installed. Now that you have it all in place, you want to go ahead and use these spacers. These spacers are actually from the vinyl plank. I just got a little strip, and I'm going to place them like that. So now you got them on the back side here, and also two on the short side here. So that way it doesn't move, it's completely locked. Okay, so your first row is in. Okay, so now when I'm starting out on the other side, I want to make sure that my squares line up with these lines. Okay, so my first piece has to be same width as this board right here. So I'm going to go ahead and mark it like that. Got it. Okay, so now look at this. You want these lines to line up. These vinyl planks are drop lock, so all you gotta do is line up on this side, move them over until you touch here, and then you go ahead and you just drop it down, and it just drops down. Go like that. Okay. Now next piece, get to move it over and just drop it. Look at that. We have our piece here. Alright. Drop this piece. Wow, that goes in really nice. Okay, so same thing in here. Okay, with this piece, we want to have these same width. So we're going to measure it. Just going to use my pencil to measure from this line. And we're going to go here, cut it right here. Alright. Now, here's something to consider. Sometimes these two will line up like that. So what you can do, you can grab a different piece and see if you can get a better match. You want to go ahead and use this piece then. Try this off like this. Now, drop this piece. Okay, so you see the difference. Now, this is the piece that used to be in here. Now we're replaced with this one, has a different design. So you just want to kind of purposely stagger them. Same thing. Now this piece we're gonna use here. Okay. And then alright, so we got our last row pre-cut, and this is what we're gonna do. First piece, drop it in. Second piece, and slide it under the door. Okay, now this is where you're gonna need your pull bar. Now you wanna make sure these lines where you need them to be, so go ahead and move it over. Now everything lines up perfectly. Next piece. And then just tap it. So you gotta do here. Okay, this last piece might be a little bit challenging. What you want to do is slide this piece under. Okay, so I'm gonna tap it lightly. Okay, so now this piece drops here. I'm going to use my pull bar to engage it. And that's in. And that's our last row. We're going to use some metal transition piece between the carpet and the vinyl tiles, and that's it. The laundry room's done. Wow, that took like probably no more than 30 minutes. 30 minutes to get the whole thing done. So nice. We'll clean this up and show you how it looks.